Alrighty guys, today I'm going to be fixing a very annoying problem I've been having with the truck ever since I installed the topper. The gas struts don't work anymore on this thing, and it's very annoying. So what I did, a little tip if you guys are looking for gas struts, there are numbers and stuff like that, part numbers on these struts. Usually you can type them in to the online search or whatever, and usually you can find replacements for them based on the part number, because it's kind of hard. This is like I don't even know what brand topper this is, so it's kind of hard to find. Well, you're not gonna find like a pair of gas struts for a topper. That don't exist. You got to find out the maximum length you need, the pressures and stuff. But like I said, if you take that part number that's on the struts, you can usually find them, and that's exactly what I did. Okay, so what I've done here is, like I said, I went in, typed in my part number, and this is what I came up with. These are actually from Maxpow. These are the gas struts I used to replace my Ma's Tahoe, the rear hatch, and they're working great. So kind of went back to them. There are different brands, cheaper brands and stuff like that. But like I said, I feel like these are going to work out. They're very simple, guys. They got these little ball socket things on the end. You pull the little thing, pull it up and pop it out. There's really nothing to this. It's just finding the struts and getting them ordered. So finally I got mine. I can replace them. Need a little screwdriver. You gotta pull that thing back, and it'll release you pull it off the ball. Very easy. See what I'm talking about? You gotta pull this clip up to release the ball, because it locks on there. You can see on this one here, see the fluid and stuff on there because it's blowed out. Actually, this one seems like it's working. This one does have a little shock and rebound in it yet, but not enough to hold the window up. Okay, so we got the new one here. Hopefully this thing's gonna hold it up better. So, well, actually, you know what? I'm gonna put a little bit of lube on these ball sockets. Put a little bit of Actually, I don't have to. There's already, they've got lube already in the ball there, in the socket. So we're good to go, guys. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to reach the window now. Even shuts better, lots better. I like it, guys. So there it is, guys. So nice and easy. It actually holds the door down better. And I was having trouble shutting it, but it's even shutting better. So I'm real happy. I think it was like 20 some bucks, I think, for both of those. They're like 17 inches total length. 15 to 30 pounds, I think, is what they're rated for. It was like for a Chevy something. That's why they came in a pair, because when I typed in that part number, it come back as some Chevy hatch or something like that. So anyway, I'm happy, real happy with this. Finally, I can just open it up and get my stuff out. I was having trouble getting my shovels and my camera stuff, and it was a nightmare without this having the shocks to hold it up. But anyway, guys, that's going to do it for this one. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one.